Today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to cut and sew inner pockets for male shirts. First of all, you need to cut a 6 inches. 6 inches from here to here, 6. Then you fold from here to here. It's going to give you 8 inches. From here to here, 8 inches. You mark here. You mark this place, you mark here. Then you cut it. After cutting, you open it, you can see. Then you bring another cloth again that you have already cut. From here to here, 6 inches. Here to 6 inches. You put it here. Then you bring your gum stick. After bringing your gum stick, you place it at the right place. Here there is design, here there is no design. Then you mark X here. Here too, here and here, you mark X here. This X and X. Then you close it here. Then you cut. You cut from here for the 3 edges and you cut here again. Then you make your cutting out. You cut with the fitting. As you can see, we are going to cut it. After cutting, with the place marked X and the other on your gum stick is also marked X, then you join it together. Then you use your iron. Then you place it. Then you iron it gradually. Make sure that the gum stick is attached to it. After ironing with your gum stick, then you place it on top. After placing, then you sew it round for the 4 corners. After sewing round, then you are done with it. You can see it here. Then you keep it aside. When you bring your clothes, then after cutting, then you measure from the shoulder. You measure 8 inches. 8 inches. Here. From here to here, 8. You mark your 8. You mark it. You mark your 8 here. Then you open it. From here to here, then you take your gum stick. If you can see it here, here and here, here and here, then you turn it. You turn it. You can see here, here, here. So you turn it like this. You measure 1.5. 1.5 inches. That's where you measure, and that's where you place. After placing, then you count 1 inches here and 1 here, making 4 inches from here to here. Then you draw your line. After drawing your line, you make angle here, you make angle here, then you sew. Then as you can see, I sew from here to here that I marked. After sewing from here to here, again this line from here to here, then you also sew here. Also going to go and sew here. You sew from here, you go around and sew it. Then you can see I sew the all round places. Then you use your scissors. You see here, you also see here. Then you use your scissors to fold it like this. After folding, this is 1, 2, 3. Then use your scissors and cut the middle row, the one that you sew at the middle. You can see I cut it. I cut the middle one. Then you also continue cutting. You cut. After coming to this place, don't cut it to reach this end. It should not reach ending. Almost ending. Then you cut here. You cut here. Likewise, also here. You cut here. You can see it. You cut this middle here. This side too. You cut here. You also do to this side. It should not reach ending. Be careful. Also cut this side. Here too. You cut this side. After cutting, you can see it now. Then you put all these things. You can see it here like this. It's cut. Then you put this thing inside. Everything will go inside. Everything. After cutting like this, then you use a little. You can see it on the outside. Then you make a little folding. You can see a little folding like this. Let it cover this mouth. After covering this mouth, then you are going to sew here and sew here. Because after sewing this place, if you turn it, when it is turned, you see that this thing is coming here like this. You can see it here. Use your hand inside. After sewing here, from here to here, I told that you are going to gum it here. Then that place that is folded to cover that mouth, you are going to also going to sew it. You can see it from here to here. You sew it here like this. As it's placed like this, then you bring this here. You can see it here. You bring it here. After bringing, then you are going to sew here completely. You sew here. So as you can see, you sew here completely. As you can see, I sew from here to here. I also sew here around. You can see it here now. You can see it's 2 pockets. After sewing like this completely, then you turn it. As you turn your pocket, you can see there's a pocket inside, and here is here. Then you can put your phone here. You can see, you can put your phone. You can see it here. Complete video. Like this, your phone is inside safely. Thank you for watching.